Are you looking to take your online presence to the next level? Are you in need of expert web development, exceptional UI/UX design, seamless social media handling, and reliable domain hosting services? Look no further than iEveEra, your premier IT-based company. What sets iEveEra apart from the rest? Let us enlighten you. With a team of highly skilled professionals and years of industry experience, iEveEra is your trusted partner in all things digital. But it doesn't stop there. Our talented UI/UX designers bring your ideas to life, crafting intuitive and engaging user interfaces that enhance the overall user experience. Your customers will keep coming back for more. And what about social media? We've got you covered. Our experts understand the power of social platforms in today's digital landscape. We'll handle your social media presence with finesse, creating impactful campaigns that boost your brand and drive results. So, whether you're a startup, a small business, or an enterprise, let iEveEra be your guiding light in the digital world. Together, we'll transform your online presence and help you achieve your business goals. Contact iEveEra today and unlock the true potential of your digital journey. Visit our website or give us a call. iEveEra, where innovation meets excellence.